Namaste everyone, I am Anmol Kumar. Welcome in my channel Yoga with Anmol. Today we practice hand balance. So first we use ball, then we use chair, and finally we do without any support. So first for hand balance you do little bit wrist exercise, then palm put on the floor and try to jump. Lift your hip upside, your body and arms try to come one line. So first palm put clearly and try to use your finger, catch floor with finger and try to jump. Lift your hip up. Your body and arms come one line. First try to jump. When your body and arms come one line, you feel you can make balance on hand. And use finger also, catch floor. First try to jump and little bit hip push outside. Then all body weight, all pressure come on your finger. Then you can lift your leg one by one. So first you jump, you put your leg on wall. Then you push your hip little bit outside and use finger, catch floor and try to make balance. You check one time more, first jump, then hip push out, then lift your leg. You support, try a lot and you can, I hope you can very fast because this is too easy process. When you can support with ball, after finish that, you try without support. So first put palm and same jumping position, try to lift your hip upside and body and arms come one line. Jump and try to cross your leg. Jump and try to cross your leg. Hip try to up. Then easily you can balance here because already you jump a lot with wall. You can balance here. Then slowly when you can balance, try to leg straight upside. First jump, then try to leg straight upside. And you can straight also with wall. First jump, put your leg on wall, leg straight, then try to open your leg, then push outside, then try to lift your second leg. Same process have with chair also. When you use chair, palm put on the floor, you put your leg on chair, then try to hip push outside. Already when you use chair, you have balance, you easily can move your hand and hip try to up. Then try to cross your leg. You can lift your leg easily and with chair you can open your leg also. If you have leg stretching, first you lift your leg, then try to push, then try to slowly bend your knee. You can lift. Next, same process you use, palm on the floor, first leg put on wall, then try to hip outside and try to open your leg, look up, then slowly try to bend your knee and you can hold. You can bend your other knee also, so you try, it's depend on you how much you try, then you can one time you can do. Next process, this with support. Now I show you without support. First we do easier, palm put on the floor and already you have balance with ball. So you can also first lift one leg, then try to lift your heel and try to lift your other leg. You can lift easily in this process. You remember, use your finger, then try to lift your leg and body and arms come one line. Next process, if you have leg stretching, you open your leg, lift your heel, push your body forward side, then try to lift your other leg. Choose your option, how you can do and try your best. Next process, you use side stretching, then open your leg, palm put on the floor, use your hip and bend your elbow. First lift your heel up, all body weight shift on your hand, then try to lift your leg. Then you can leg up also. One more technique, first palm put on the floor, then both legs straight, hip push backside. Use your hip here now. Bend your elbow, lift your heel, all body weight shift on your hand, then try to push forward and try to leg up. Leg try to slowly up. Make balance through the finger, then try to leg up. I show you one time. You see first, palm on the floor, leg straight, bend your elbow, lift your heel and go forward. You see here, first support with ball, then try to make balance, bend one by one knee and control balance with finger. Then second try, one leg up, then try to second leg up. Then third try to both leg up together, hip push forward, then try. So you see here, 3-4 option you have. Which position you can do, you try. I hope you can learn very fast. Thanks for watching my video. Namaste.